This is probably my favorite day at work all year. The energy in the room is palpable. Everyone is engaged. Everyone is going, wow, that's cool, tell me more. Activate is the one time a year when we gather together all of our teams, past and present, all of our stakeholders, the people that fund us to do this cool experiment that's now become very successful.
It's just a really great community that's committed to physical science innovation and cares a lot about the space.
If you've been here once, you're part of the family. So the energy is like walking in and it's a big hug.
There's a great mix of people who have entrepreneurial backgrounds, people who have research backgrounds, people who are in companies or have been in companies, investors of all different sorts. And you know, the amount of experience in that room is really quite impressive.
One of the coolest things about coming to Activate is that you're not just going to see a story about a company with a market opportunity and a problem, but a really interesting science solution.
It's really exciting to, see one pitch after the other, and especially now that we're a few years into it, see the updates and just how far everybody has come in the last few years.
Being in the room at this event is like getting a jolt of energy, and you just see one amazing young entrepreneur after another stand up and just with enormous focus and passion tell you about something that they're going to do that has a real chance at changing our world.